No, 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 no.
Wait, let's even come to think about this. Let's come to think about this. Many of you are staying in Lagos, but the Lagos you are staying is not even safe. Look at flood everywhere. Common rain of yesterday that just fell. Rain everywhere in Oshodi. The rain that just fell. Flood everywhere rather in Oshodi. People could not even pass. Some persons they almost fell inside the water, inside the flood that yesterday. Then there and you guys, there's no gutter. The gutter is even scarce. No gutter, no drainage in Lagos. All the old drainage and gutter they don't they build on top am, shops on top am. In Oshodi. My guy, una no save at all. I think say na only island no save, but my guy, you guys are living in anything can happen. And for those of you that are staying in Lagos, in case Lagos don't tire you, please you guys can come to Ogun State. We have Ayetoro Italy, we have Lafewa. Please come here. Yes, more saver. Thank you.